Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am sharing my skincare skin glow secret with you all. So stay connected. This is the Pure Skin Face Wash by Love Nature ORIFlAME. So I have two things here which has face wash and scrub. It's the best combination to reduce dark spots and pigmentation to glow up your skin instantly. So just purchase it, and this is best for all skin types. It has niacinamide and salicylic acid, which will remove your pigmentation scars and give you a instant glow, brighten up the skins. So don't go anywhere, just buy Oriflame products according to your skin and enjoy your skincare. So they are organic, halal and best products. It has 150 ml quantity of face wash and 75 ml quantity of scrub. Hope you enjoy my video. Stay connected for more videos. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.